how to make real money online using only your mobile phone. Yes, you don't need laptops, you don't need desktops to make money online anymore. So people earn real money online using just their mobile phones. In this video, I would be showing you websites and apps and things you can perform in these apps to earn money. Simple task and simple. People are earning real money online with just their mobile phone. And today in this video, I will show you how. Follow me. Online money is real, yes, but it is not magic. If anyone tells you that you will become rich overnight working online, that is a pure lie. But people earn real money, $1,000 and above, or even below, from $100, $200, $1,000 and above online. All you need is consistency and your patience, okay? I'm not telling you this that you are going to become rich or earn it overnight, but you just need to be patient and consistent. People earn money online. People use freelancers and skill. People use online skills to earn money. And that skill is what you can do, just that you are not aware of it. Another way people make money online is by watching ads that play in websites and also simple tasks, okay? By performing simple tasks, you earn money online. Just stick with me and I will show you websites and apps that you can use to perform this task, to use your skill, and I will also show you the kind of skills that you need. 5 ways people make money online. Number 1, watching videos and completing simple tasks. Number 2, freelancing. And this one pays if you know how to do it, if you know how to go about it. Gone are the days they make you believe that you need one huge almighty certificate, you need to do this and that, but don't worry, stick with me, I will show you. You need freelancing, content creation, pay people too. Yes, you can use content creation to be earning money even if you are not yet monetized in all these platforms. You can use affiliate marketing to earn money online. Yes, these 4 things, you can use affiliate marketing to earn money online. You can earn money from Amazon. Yes, from the comfort of your home. Just stick with me and I will show you how you can do this. Money from selling digital products online. This one, yeah, you have your Facebook profile, you have your YouTube channel, you have your TikTok account. You can earn money by selling digital products online. Yes, and I will show you how you can do it. These are the websites that you can earn money with freelancers, okay? Let me just give you an example, okay? We have Fiverr.com. Yes, Fiverr.com, the one you're seeing on the screen. People earn money from these websites. You can just go to your Google Chrome and type in this thing you're seeing on your screen and then log into there and create an account. You log in, you design logo for people, you earn money. You are good at video editing, you earn money. You're good at video editing and you think, oh, you've not started content creating, and yeah, because of that, you're wasting your talent. If you're good at video editing, log into this website now, create an account and start editing video for people and getting paid. Writing, if you're a good writer, you are good at typing quick, you will earn money from this website that is on your screen, okay? Please ignore the background noises. If you're a good writer, you are good at typing, you can earn money. You are good at designing thumbnails. People pay well for this. If you're a good designer, you design thumbnails very well, you will earn money from this website. And guess what? AI has made it easy. AI has made it easy to do all these things. You can just, don't worry, in my next video, I'll talk about how you can use AI to achieve all these things, apart from video editing. Apart from video editing, logo designing, thumbnail designing, writing. I can show you how you use AI to do all these ones in my next video, and you will earn real money from this website, okay? If only you know how to design a thumbnail. If you know how to design a thumbnail, you know how to type fast. This too sells very faster in this website you're seeing. Another website is Upwork.com. Yes, Upwork.com. Freelancers get jobs from clients worldwide. They get jobs from clients worldwide from this, website, okay? If you're a good writer, you're a good editor, you're a social media manager, you're good at managing social media, you're a visual assistant. You know, you're a visual assistant, you help people read their mails, help people control their WhatsApp groups, WhatsApp messages, all these content creators. This is the places they go to hire people. They go to Upwork to hire people. In my next video, I'll also show you how you can, create a CV that will attract them to you. A CV that will attract them to you in this website, okay? Upwork.com. Yes, this place for writers, for editors, for social media managers, and for visual assistants, okay? So another place you can get work as a freelancer is this one on your screen here. You can see that's another platform for beginners, okay? All these ones I have mentioned earlier is also available in this website, okay? Yes, so let's move to websites for performing tasks, okay? For performing small tasks, okay? Yes, you go to swagbox.com, okay? This one you're seeing on your screen. Please ignore the background noises. I don't know this website you're seeing on your screen here, yes, swapbug.com. You log into the website, okay? You earn money there too as a beginner, as someone that you don't like to you don't like to stress yourself. You don't like to stress yourself much, but you want to be earning something. In this platform, is for simple tasks and watching videos. This swagbug.com, this one on your screen. Yes, you earn money by watching videos. You know, people go there, like a YouTuber now, as I've done this video. If I want to attract you to my channel to watch my videos or watch ads for me to make money, that's where they go, you know, such things. So you earn money by watching videos in this website. You earn money by answering questions in this website. You earn money by playing games in this website. Yeah, this website is for lazy people that don't want to work much, but you have money to buy data. You know, you have to have data or Wi-Fi, you know. You have to have internet to be able to do all these ones. But yeah, you do it from the comfort of your home and you earn real money. How consistent and how patient you are will determine how big your money will be, okay? You won't become rich overnight, but yeah, you with consistency and patience, and the more people know you, the more they give you job in the freelancing world, okay? But this starts performing is how patient you are. You have patience to watch more ads. You have patience to play more videos. You have patience to answer more questions. You earn more. That's your consistency and your patience, like I said earlier, okay? Another place you can also go to do something related to the one I mentioned before is Timebox on the screen. Timebox, yes. You go there for watching ads. If you watch ads, people make money. You go there for social media management work, something similar to freelancing, okay? You go there to search for social media management. You want to manage people's social media. You'll just be in your home and you'll be doing it. And just know that you do all these things with your phone, okay? In my next video, I'll practicalize some of these things so you see what I'm talking about, okay? Yes, you perform minor surveys, you earn money. You perform tasks, minor tasks, you earn money. So like I said, your patience, your consistency, and of course you have to have your internet active to earn this money. So another one like that is popular is content creation. Content creation, you earn money from Snapchat, you earn money from YouTube, you earn money from Facebook, you earn money from TikTok, okay? Even if some countries are not monetized on TikTok, but you can earn money from TikTok through affiliate marketing people's products, okay? Market people's products on TikTok, you earn money. Some countries like UK, United States, Germany, China, other people, they earn money, creators bonus, yeah. But some countries are not. But Facebook have monetized the majority of African countries and other countries, yeah. YouTube, almost all the countries are monetized. There are just few of the countries which definitely they will look into it. So you earn money by uploading your videos. Facebook, when you upload story, when you consistently upload, you get followers, the requirements, and you monetize. When you upload your story, you earn money. When you upload your text, you earn money. When you upload your videos, your long form videos or short form videos, you earn money, depending on the views you get and how consistent you are. When you're consistent and you have patience, with time people will begin to know you. Your views will increase and your earnings will also increase. You understand? Yes. So TikTok.com, people earn money there. TikTok. People earn money there, but you don't know. Creators Award, you promote people's music, you earn money. Brand deals, affiliate marketing, like I mentioned earlier, you earn money there, okay? Yeah, so affiliate marketing platforms. Like I said earlier, affiliate marketing platforms. Sorry, I'm just having issues. Affiliate marketing platforms that you can earn money. Now, this is just telling you, and I'm putting them on the screen, so you can just go to your Google Chrome or any website you're using, type in and then log in, okay? So you can get clickbanks.com, okay, for, you know, popular digital marketing. You sell digital products in this website you're seeing here and you make real money, okay? You earn money from affiliate program too, from Amazon. This Amazon you're seeing here. Try everything I've mentioned here. One must work for you, and when anyone start working for you, be patient, be consistent, you'll start making money. Even more than $1,000 you will make. So program.amazon.com, you earn money from there by selling digital products. And this ClickBanks, okay, these two, you earn money from there by selling digital products. If you have watched this video to this extent, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment in the comment section. Which of these websites do you want me to practicalize and show you how it truly works? Or which of these how to make money online that I've mentioned here do you want me to practicalize and show you, okay? Yeah. So for the mobile skills that can make you money online, like I said, video editing, thumbnail, you know, you can design thumbnails in Canva and also earn money. Yes, you can be a designer in Canva. When people go there to use your thumbnail, they pay. And guess what? AI has made these things easy. You can use AI to design thumbnail, then take it to your editing app, do minor changes, and upload it there. Trust you me, people will buy it. When they like it, they will pay. And then you earn your money from there. Okay, you can be a social media management, you can be a caption writer, and you make money. Okay, there are a lot of ways to make money online. All right, so you go to canva.com, you log in, you will see how you can do it. Okay, to become their creator, you design thumbnails and you make money. Even CapCut, a lot of you do not know, you can also make money from CapCut. Yeah, go to your website and type in CapCut.com. You will see that you can make money from there. When you log in, they will take you through. Okay, yes, if you want more clarification on how to make money from this CapCut and Canva, you let me know in the comment section. If you watch this video to this extent and you demand for it, I will make the video for you. Very important. Okay, as much as you're trying to become rich and make money online, you have to avoid fake websites. Trying to log into any of these websites I've mentioned, other websites that are scam might pop up and attract you. They will tell you double your money within minutes without doing any work or performing any tasks. Avoid them, they are scammers. Okay, there's no website that will make you rich just within a twinkle of an eye without you working. You have to work, you have to put in your time, you have to do something. These people want to just use your internet and use your presence, and then at the end you will not get anything. Avoid websites asking for huge registration fees. Avoid them. You want to register, they ask you to pay a huge amount of money to register. Run, they will eat your money. Okay, avoid websites that will ask you to double your money in minutes. Wrong, now scam they be. Avoid websites that are crypto investment groups. All these websites that want you to invest in crypto and all that, they're scammers. So all these ones I mentioned is not part of them, so you just have to avoid them. Okay, the internet has changed lives. Okay, the earlier you start learning these skills online, the better for you. The earlier you start learning online skills and start putting them in practice, the better for you. A lot of people have become millionaires and billionaires through social media platforms, through websites. Just that they are hiding it. Okay, there is real money. Oh god, I'm living close to the street, so just abandon that. So there's real money. So which of these websites do you want me to show you how to use first, or which of the two? I would like to try two at once. Which of the two of them would you want me to try first? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share for more. Okay, my next video will be practicals on how to do at least two of this website, how to practicalize in two of these websites that I've mentioned. If you comment, I will do it. Thanks for watching. Bye.